Hey everyone! Welcome back to Lule Auto Garage. Today, we're working on a Motorino that's been giving its owner some trouble. We'll start by removing the battery wires, taking it apart, cleaning and checking all its parts, and replacing the carburetor if needed. Let's dive in. First things first, safety first. We'll start by disconnecting the battery wires to ensure there's no power running through the system while we work. Next, we'll remove the Motorino from its frame. This will give us better access to all its components. With the bolts removed, we can now lift the Motorino off the frame and place it on the workbench for a closer inspection. Now, let's open up the Motorino and take a look at the carburetor. This is often the heart of the problem when it comes to small engines. We'll need to clean it thoroughly and check if any parts need replacing. We'll carefully disassemble the carburetor and clean each part. Pay special attention to the jets and float bowl, as these are often clogged. With the carburetor cleaned and reassembled, it's time to test the Motorino. We'll check both the turn and up-down functionality to make sure everything's working smoothly. Now that everything's working, we'll reattach the Motorino to its frame. With the bolts tightened and everything back in place, this Motorino is ready to go, and that's how we fix, clean, and test a Motorino. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Lule Auto Garage, and hit that notification bell for more awesome projects. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.